Guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials. So in this video we will see how to add the Selenium libraries in Eclipse. So let's start. First we have to create the Maven project. For that, Maven plugin should be installed in your system. So in previous video we have learned how to install Maven plugin. So you can watch that video and get Maven installed. Now let's start. First of all, we need to create the Maven project. So go to new, and here we have the other option, so click on that. Now if you scroll down bit, you will get the Maven option. Just select the Maven project and click on next. Then select this checkbox to create a simple project and click on next. Now give the project name, so I am giving demo auto project. Just copy this name and you can use same in artifact id, and you can just change it. I'm just keeping both as same and click on finish. Now our project will get created. So what we need, we have this pom.xml file. So here we have to add the Selenium dependency, so Selenium will get added into here. So what you need to do, just go to WebDriver and search for Maven repository and just hit enter. Here you can see the Maven repository.com, the official website for the Maven. So just click on this website, and here we have to select the Selenium and hit enter. So you will get the Java Selenium option. So you can just select this or click on this. Now here you will see the version for the Selenium. It is 4.22. Just click on this version, and what we need just need to this copy this, and we have to go to our Eclipse, and first we need to add dependencies tab. So and in dependencies we need to paste what we have copied from that site, and we just need to save this. So it will start downloading the Selenium to your system. You can see it is building. So in this way you can add a Selenium to the project. Now what we have to do, we have to add Selenium to our Eclipse. So for that, again we need to go to Chrome driver and just search for Selenium and hit enter. Then you will get the selenium.dev, the official website for the Selenium. Just click on this link. So if you are automation tester and you are going to use Selenium for first time, the Java JDK must be installed in your system. So from this website we need to go to the downloads option, and here we have the Java option. So we are going with the Java, so we need to download it. So click on this 4.22. So it will start downloading the Selenium files, jar files. So you can see it is downloading the Selenium for the Eclipse. So it is done. In JRE you can see all the Selenium libraries and the all dependencies which we required for the Selenium. So we have done the Selenium library for the project. Now we have to do it for the Eclipse. For that we have installed the Selenium. Let's extract this. So what we need to do, just extract this file. I'm going to extract it on my desktop. Just create new folder as a Selenium, hit enter, open it, and just select folder and extract all the Selenium files. So you can see we have extracted all these Selenium files. Now what we have to do, we have to add the Selenium for the project. So for that, just right click on this project, then go to the build path and configure the build path. And here you can see we have the Maven option. All our Selenium libraries are got installed here. What we need to add the external Selenium libraries as well. So what we'll do, we'll just click on this add external jars, and we'll go to that desktop where we have installed the Selenium libraries. We can just select it and just click on open. So all our Selenium libraries will be added here. Now just click on apply. So it will setting our path, and just click on close. So once you open this, you can see our reference libraries, then our Maven libraries, and the all GRE libraries are installed. So in this way you can add the Selenium libraries in Eclipse.